I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Sign up for Studiobinder using your email and choose a secure password. Confirm your email through the verification link to activate the account. Set your default production time zone and preferred date format in account settings. Create a new project and pick a template that matches your production type. Enter the project title, start date, and brief description for clarity. Invite collaborators by email and assign roles like producer, director, or camera operator. Upload your script as a PDF or text file to start creating a breakdown. Use the scene breakdown tool to tag characters, props, wardrobe, and locations for each scene. Add cast and crew profiles with phone numbers, emails, and role assignments for easy contact. Create a locations list with addresses and parking notes for each site. Build equipment lists and attach vendors or rental contacts directly to gear entries. Schedule scenes into shooting days using drag and drop on the stripboard. Generate a call sheet for each shoot day with call times and key contacts listed. Include weather forecast, unit-based details, and parking or gate codes for efficiency. Attach call times to cast and crew entries so notifications send automatically when published. Publish the call sheet as a PDF and share a secure mobile link for confirmations and comments. Track confirmations and view read receipts to monitor availability in real time. Export shot lists, production reports, and vendor invoices for post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.